guys, my name is Jen and this is my daughter Ariana. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. Speaking of friends, Ariana, you want to tell everybody why we're here today?
Oh, the giveaway.
We are here to do our long-awaited, I will point that out because I know you guys have been patiently waiting, our 900 subscriber giveaway. So, before we get started on showing you what is going to be included in our giveaway, I just want to extend a great big huge thank you to every single one of you for all of your support. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I have enjoyed getting to know you guys over the past year and a half, maybe a little bit longer. How long have I been doing YouTube? It's been a minute, huh?
I've lived with you for what?
I think it's like 2 years in February. So anyways, I have loved getting to know you guys. You guys have encouraged me and supported me in some of my lowest times. And I don't know where I would be without you. So thank you all so very much for all of your support. All right. You guys ready to see what's in the giveaway?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It is right here. Ta-da! All right, there you go. That's it. You want me to show you each item? Okay, so for the WW portion, I wanted to share some of my favorite drink options with you guys. So we have chamomile tea from Trader Joe's, and then I picked up a ton of sugar-free juice packets for you guys. We have the A&W. We've got cranberry ginger ale, the blue typhoon Hawaiian punch. We've got the blue starburst flavor. We've got the red Hawaiian punch flavor. We've got the grape sun-kissed, the pineapple sun-kissed, and then we have the all pink starburst flavor. All right, and then for skincare, I've got a gold face mask. That's kind of hard to see because it's so reflective. This is a golden gel face mask. I've got the Biore 2-step heated clay face mask with the nose pore strip. There, probably see a little bit better.
It's heated?
It warms up. As you rub it onto your face, it warms up. It's really nice.
That's good.
I've got the IDAZ hydrating water fit mask.
It has.
It has. I don't know. It is what it is what it was.
Look at it. It has a mask.
I've got some Dr. Babor Hydro RX 3D hydrogel lip pad. There's 4 of them in here. Woo! Sorry guys. There's 4 of them in here for you. That's a very reflective box. I apologize. I've got some Now Bay Detox Unplugged Moisturizer. I love this. You guys will really enjoy it. I've got this Freeman Beauty Infusion Purifying In-Shower Mask. It has sea kelp and probiotics in it. Not quite sure how that works, but it should be neat.
If you figure it out, let us know.
Let us know what you think.
I want to know how it stays on.
So then we've got some New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. That's what the box looks like. And then the container is like this. Super pretty. Alright, let's see. We've got some Medicate Liquid Vitamin C Serum for your face. We've got some Burt's Bee Gel Cream. I think that's for your eyes, but I'm not positive. And then I've got some Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. And this is just a small sample size. Oh, of course, it wouldn't be a giveaway from me if I didn't have one of the hyaluronic acid bubble up masks. These are so fun. So fun. I've got some moisturizing, hydrating foot mask. Moisturizing, hydrating, that's kind of the same thing, Jen. Winning! Alright, for hair, I've got some of this Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. And then I've got some Pantene Rescue Shots Ampule, which is an intense treatment to help moisturize your hair. It's supposed to get rid of split ends, too.
I definitely need something like that.
Okay, so then I've got a small package of the Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. Then we've got one of the original full-size makeup remover cloths. These are really cool. And then for makeup, we have a full face look for you. We've got some LA Colors black eyeliner. We've got some CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara.
That's a weird container.
Mm-hmm.
The CoverGirl works good.
Mm-hmm. Then for your eyelids, I've got a 3-pack of glitter liquid eyeshadows. Very pretty colors. I like these. And then I have an eyeshadow palette for you. It's called Off Melrose. It's just got some really nice, pretty colors for this time of year. Yeah. So there is that. It's got some glitters, some shimmers, and some mattes.
I love the glitter.
I think this is really good for New Year's and stuff. For your cheeks, I have this Hello Kitty Island Shine Pressed Powder. Let me show you this. You will love it. Here is the packaging.
Aww.
It does have a mirror on it, so let me cover that up for you. And then that is the blush. Is that not the cutest? Look, it's got a little bow in it. I got this and then the palette that I just showed you from a ColourPop haul that I did. And then last but not least, for the El Lipos, I've got a few things for ya. I do have a matte lipstick, and I think it's by the company Fully Fire. It's in the color Full House. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then this is the color. It's a nice, warm, dark red color. And it does have a lot more red to it than it looks like on here. I've got 2 neutral colored lip crayons for you by Color Story. Hopefully you guys can see those okay. And then I have this. I got this in my Ice Cream Beauty box. This is by Bella Pierre, and it is a 12 color pro matte lip palette. And it's got all these colors in it. You can mix them, you can use them individual. It's really neat. Let me open that up and show you what it looks like. Here are the colors. It does have a color saver and a mirror up top, so let me go ahead and cover that up for you. These are the colors, and it does have a little brush on the side of it. Isn't that cute? Look at the back. I love it. This is going to be really pretty. You guys are going to be able to get some super cute lip looks with this. As always, I will include a $25 Visa gift card, which is not shown here. I honestly still have to go get that, but it will be in the box by the time it was sent to you. So a few rules for this giveaway, guys. You know there had to be some. First of all, you must be publicly subscribed to my channel, which means that you can't just be subscribed. I need to be able to go to your channel page and look at the channels you're subscribed to and find my channel so that I know that you are subscribed. You must be 18 years or older. You must reside in the continental United States, which means I cannot ship this package to any outer lying countries. I apologize, guys, but I just don't have the budget for that. I'm not responsible for any damaged products once I drop this off at the post office. And I think those are the biggies. I will link all of the rules down in the description, so please make sure you go and check them out. And then as far as a secret word, I would like for you to use the words Hello Kitty in a sentence. So please don't just leave the word Hello Kitty down in the comments. I would like for you to show me that you're watching my video, a little bit of interaction, something about the content, and then a sentence with the word Hello Kitty in it. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So real quick before we close up this video, please stay tuned until the very end because Ariana has a new fish tank she wants to share with you. So we'll be posting a little video of that for you. She's worked really hard getting it around and put together and keeping these fish happy and healthy. So I will post a quick video of that at the end of this video. Please make sure you go check it out and leave her some comments down below to let her know what you think of it. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. If you're not a member of the YouTube family, guys, first of all, you won't be able to be entered into the giveaway. And second of all, you're missing out. We have all kinds of chaotic fun on this channel. So please click on that picture of me down in the corner or hit the red subscribe button down below and you will instantly be part of our YouTube family. Thank you again, guys, every single one of you for all of your support. I love you guys so very much, and you are all such a huge part of my life and my family's. Again, thanks for all you do, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye!